Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious custard sweet dish. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need whole milk, egg yolks, granulated sugar, and a touch of vanilla extract. Make sure your measuring tools are accurate and have a good whisk on hand. Using fresh, quality ingredients truly makes a difference in the final taste and consistency of your homemade custard. Now let's get mixing. In a bowl, whisk your egg yolks and sugar until they become pale and creamy. Next, gently heat your milk with the vanilla extract in a saucepan over medium heat until it's simmering, but not boiling. To prevent scrambling the eggs, slowly pour about 1/4 of the hot milk into the egg mixture while continuously whisking. This crucial step is called tempering. Once tempered, pour the entire egg mixture back into the saucepan with the rest of the milk. Continue cooking over low heat, stirring constantly. This prevents the custard from sticking or curdling. Keep stirring until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. It's important not to let it boil, as this can cause the eggs to curdle and ruin the smooth texture. After cooking, immediately strain your custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. This ensures a silky smooth texture, free of any small lumps. Cover the surface directly with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming, then chill it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours. Serve your delightful, cold custard as is, or perhaps with some fresh fruit for an extra touch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.